Alright, class. So, it's been a lot of days since y'all been in school. And I can see y'all acting a little different. So, can y'all answer me what happened? Guys. Class.
What?
Wait, what'd you say?
What?
What do you want, teacher? Why do y'all acting like that? And
You seriously don't know?
and where's Amy and Rouge? Please don't bring them.
Don't ask that. We're not gonna answer that.
Well, you don't have to ask me anything about that. I don't have a girlfriend yet. Broken.
That's sad. I don't care.
Yeah. Because now we're all single. What are y'all talking about? Did she break up with y'all? No. Something happened. Oh yeah, I heard that there was like something in a city that looked really messed up. Were y'all over there? Because I think I saw Sonic. Were y'all over there?
Fine. Rouge died.
Huh?
Well, let's say Rouge is in a coma.
And Amy.
Don't. She died.
What? She died?
Yes.
I lost 2 students today, and they're girls. I used to remember. I lost a
Mario,
lot of
you're
students.
lucky you have Peach. She's still alive. Luigi, you're unlucky you have Daisy. I know how you feel. I know how I feel too.
I know how you feel. Look, all of y'all, shut up.
I want to kill myself.
Well-
I regret being with you, Daisy.
Come on.
You don't help me with
At least
fights?
give me one chance.
No, I gave you millions of chances. What do you mean one chance? And besides, every single time I come home from work, the first thing you ask me is, do you have some money? And you shouldn't be asking me, how was your day, Luigi? Was work good? Are you feeling well? But no, instead you ask me for some money so you can go to the mall and buy some girly stuff. I'm not giving you nothing, woman.
But I need that iPhone.
I don't care.
I still have
Maybe
an
if you treat me better, I would have did it.
But I need I only have an
Shut
Android.
up. That's why Peach is better than you.
Why do I still have an Android and Peach has an iPhone 14 Pro Max?
That's because I bought it for her.
Me and Luigi did. Come on! Why y'all can't just buy me that too?
Because you're so ungrateful. Because you're so selfish.
I heard that iPhone 27 is out. iPhone 27?
It was a joke. You're stupid or something?
I really want the iPhone 27.
I'm going to slap you, but you're a girl.
Mm-hmm. Keep your hands to
Ha ha,
yourself.
Mario.
Huh?
Wait, who said that? Ha ha, Mario.
Whoa, what'd I do?
You look so goofy up there.
What
Do you know how you look? Because you look goofy as hell.
But what are you talking about?
You look goofy.
Why you calling me that for? What did I do?
Because you just look goofy.
Luffy?
Remember when Sonic broke that mustache off
Oh,
of
yeah.
your cat?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, I keep getting memories of so many stuff, like my dog and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. What happened to your dog? Yeah.
2 years ago, no, like 3 or 2 years
Hey,
ago.
what do you mean, dog?
Mario was here with me. Guys, we used to have a dog in our Tyler crew.
Yeah. Sonic had this dog, and he haven't seen him ever since our last house we was in before.
He got kidnapped.
Ever since. And we haven't started a journey to find him.
Should we, guys?
Should we? Should we, guys?
Yes, let's go. I'm out.
Should we? You're
Shut
not
up.
joining. You're not joining.
All you're gonna do is ask for money once we give it to her. And you're not even gonna help. All you're gonna do is be like, well, guys, I came with you, so now you gotta give me some money. So no, you're not coming along with us.
Speaking of money, can I have some?
No! Here's 1 cent. I'll take it back.
1 cent? What am I gonna do with it? Why don't you
Go
take
to
it
the
away?
1 cent store. I don't know.
How does that exist? Oh yeah, it's actually a store that's not really in the real world, but in our universe. What?
That's the only store you can go to.
Hey, can I have some money? No, I'm poor. You can see my wallet. Look here. A cent? Yup. Just
Take
one.
that. You can take that and you can go to the 2 cent store.
The 2 cents? Yeah, there's also a 3 cent store, 4 cent store, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so who's going to the journey to find him? I'm going. Wait, all y'all people really going?
People? Hey, don't miss me out on this. Don't miss me out.
I'm only going if Lucky's going.
Shut up, Tangle.
I'm kind of tired. I just woke up to go to school. I don't feel like doing a journey. Okay, we're just gonna stay. Let's just go home and watch a movie. Oh, okay.
Oh, bet.
Yeah. Or something else.
What?
What? Okay. Hey, can I join?
Yes, anyone can join.
Okay. Link.
Knuckles, don't be a cuphead again.
Link, can I please join? Look, I know you're kind of worried that I'm gonna get hurt, but I have
Every time you
powers
get-
too.
Come on.
Yay, thank you, Link.
I swear, if you get hurt, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, you mean kill someone?
No, yeah, and that someone is you.
Kirby, aren't you supposed to come? Oh yeah, I'm gonna wreck a lot of things. I'm sure I'm going. Waluigi, are you going?
Of course I'm going.
I think I'm
I need to
alright.
go in case someone gets hurt. Oh yeah, folk. I'm going unless I get some Chick-fil-A or some chicken.
Bastard Black.
You know I don't take stuff from that. You know me. You
I'm
know what? Let
sorry.
me take this chain off.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Shut up, woman.
Okay. I guess I'll just go home.
You're gonna come over here. No. I was gonna whoop you.
Just grab your guns. What are you doing? Why are you tiny?
I'm gonna choke you.
Hey, Deku, are you going? Of course I'm going. In order to become the greatest hero.
Shut up. You're never gonna become anything.
Shut up, Kanchan.
All you'll ever become is a janitor.
Kanchan, shut up! You're always rude!
That's exactly my point.
Shut up! I'll go anywhere the Midoriya goes, I'm going to.
You're gay.
Even the restroom? Mm-hmm.
What? Even a shower? Mm-hmm. Bro, this man's gay.
Everywhere.
Bro!
If he actually says the locker room, in the locker room. Okay, well, I guess. Hey, Bakugo.
What? You look hot.
Yeah. I kind of like.
What was you gonna say? Come on, what was you gonna say? What were you gonna say?
Hey! I was trying to say I like the Deku.
You what?
Um,
Oh, you like me, Coxie Bakuga. Oh.
but I said, but I mean, you did kiss me, so I probably But let's just go.
If she likes Deku, I'm gonna kill her.
Hey. Well, come on, 72. Let's just go back to the forest and go kill some
I
of
wanna
the
go play
demons.
some Fortnite.
Fortnite kid.
I'm not a kid,
I'm
fool.
sorry.
You need to shut up and just go.
You make me.
You really want me to make you?
No, never mind. You're gonna shoot me.
Exactly.
Can I go? With
I
you?
just said you can go.
Okay. Doc Cohen, are you coming?
Oh yeah. Let's go.
I can't believe they don't want me to go. You know what? I'll just go home.
Wait, guys, what is that?
I can't believe all my students just left. So I'm just gonna go home. Huh?
Shut up. You don't want your little owner to know.
What? Hey, what are y'all doing?
What do you mean, what are we doing?
What are y'all doing to that poor dog?
We just kidnapped him.
Hey, wait, kidnapped.
Sonic!
Sonic? Wait, I remember what Sonic said. He said he was missing a dog, and he kidnapped by 2 toads. That's Sonic's dog. I gotta go tell Sonic!
You better not tell anything. Come here!
What? What was that? Ah. What are y'all doing?
You're not telling anyone.
I don't want to use it, but I'm going to have to. Pikachu! Huh?
Double Toad Impact!
Huh? Ooh. Lightning! Tornadoes!
Double Toad Shield!
One more!
Do you really want to hurt this dog?
Huh? I gotta take the dog and leave.
Come here.
You're
not running.
Okay, how long we have to walk around? We've been walking around for like 2 hours already, Sonic. Can we just go
We
home?
have to go back to our old house and see this.
Yeah, and I think I heard screaming before.
Duh.
Huh?
Stop
Sonic!
it!
Sonic, what's that? It's Sonic's long-lost dog.
It's Mark. It's Mark.
It's
Remember
Mark.
our old little boy Mark?
Yep.
Oh yeah, Mark!
Mark! Thank you!
Get away! Oh.
Toads! Toads! What are y'all doing? Whoa! No! Huh? Toads, what are y'all doing?
We're torturing this dog and you guys can't get him back.
Toads, you found Link's dog. Good job. Why are you tripping it for? Hey, stop!
Get away, you princess!
Ah! Don't do it. Okay, Mega Blast. Pew, 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 pew.
No, I'm done.
Pow! How did you hurt me all the way over there?
I don't know. You just tell me.
Mega Blast! Wait, Sonic. No, Sonic, did you see that? Did you see that, Sonic? Sonic, did you see? Okay, he's pat. What? No, is that me too?
Anger, handle him.
No!
No, I'm kidding. You handle him.
I did not mean to! I didn't mean to! I didn't mean to! I tried to shoot them!
Look at you.
I didn't do anything. I did not do anything.
Dog. Mark, talk to me. Mark. What the?
Huh? Wait, no. Not what it looks like. It's not what it looks like. Look.
Found my dog. Mark.
Who the hell is that?
It's Max.
Max. Who the hell is Max?
Max. Come on, Max.
Hello. Sonic. Is this just a normal dog that you wanted?
No,
Or
this is my dog that got lost.
your long lost dog?
Yeah.
And his name is Max. Sonic. Huh, Sonic, there you are! Sonic, oh. You found the dog. Okay, good job.
Max,
I knew that was Sonic's dog.
I have to do it.
When?
Max, I missed you. That's just what owners do, so shut up.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay.
Don't say a peep.
Okay.
Toad. What? They took your dog back. But we love that dog. I know, we have to go kill it. Come on, let's go. Let's go kill that dog.
So Sonic, just tell me more about that.
Wait, not again! What? Those toads are powerful.
Sonic, keep on fighting! Ow!
Shut up.
No, you don't hurt my hair!
Amy.
Come on, Lucky.
Amy.
I can't just let Sonic get hurt like that.
Amy.
Sonic!
Amy.
Sonic!
Amy.
Oh, you found Marks. You found Max.
Amy.
Sonic, snap out of it! Huh? Supersonic. Well, great.
What the? Double Toad Tornado! Super impact.
Huh? Whoa! Let's go, Supersonic! Let's go! Wait. Huh? Sonic, what do you think you're doing to those poor toads? How? Oh!
Mess with me.
Sonic, what are you doing?
I'm out of control. Shut up. Come at me, everyone. I'm going crazy. crazy.
Sonic,
Someone kill me. Help me.
why?
Someone has to beat me up so that I can get out of control.
Yeah.
Come on, beat me up.
Sonic, you need to calm down.
Control.
I know Amy died, but you need to calm down.
Come at me.
Sonic! Whoa!
Just beat me up. Come on, beat me up. Come on, beat me up. Beat me up. Come on, someone just beat me up.
Okay, Sonic. You asked for it. Don't cry on me before you lose. Okay. All right. Come at me. All right. Chaos Spear.
Super spear.
Chaos Control. That didn't work. How? Okay then. I haven't used this before, but I guess I'll use it now. Super Chaos Control. All right, you can move now. What the hell?
Chaos control. Fido Super. I'm boss.
Okay, that's some good attacks.
Dodge it! I couldn't dodge that one.
Sonic, you need to calm down. Snap it out of it. We are in the middle of a fight.
Get out of my face, you little punk!
Silver, we need a little help. Okay, what'd I do? Control. Oh.
I would never give up.
Oh.
What in the frick?
Now, where are the toads?
I have to win. I have to finish this.
Sonic!
Save me.
Uh,
I can't.
Sonic, I can't. I'm dead. But still remember, try your best. I will always love you, Sonic. Okay? Always remember that. Never forget me. Try your best. Show.
I'll show them.
Think about you're fighting Infinite again. Think about Infinite already killed me. What? Dark Sonic is back. Give me that.
Kill me.
Rouge. She's still in the coma. I hope she doesn't die.
It's all over. No one's able to beat me anymore. This is not fun.
Toad! Where are you? Sonic. What are you...
Out of control. I'm back to normal.
Toad! Or Blue Toad, where are you?
What? Toad, brother.
What's up? What's up, Odes?
Oats? Rude!
Ah!
That was super rude of you. Don't say that again.
You gotten stronger, I heard. You're in Supersonic's level. But doesn't mean I gotten weaker. I gotten stronger. Whoa!
You can't get away from me. Double! Wing!
Mario! I remember what happened. Hey, Mario. I haven't seen you for a while. Bowser, how did you come back? Sonic. So, it's been a long time since I've seen you, and I remember when I killed your parents. Well, you're gonna pay for that. Remember, you're never defeating me. How is he this strong? Mario, remember, you're nothing compared to me. Always remember that. I'll see you soon. The next time we meet.
think you're gonna do?
Come at me.
What? I'm still alive. Punk.
No.
Don't forget about me.
I need Luigi.
What do you want?
These toads are really powerful.
I got you in the bag, Mario.
Come on. Let's team.
All right. Double Toad Recall.
Guess it's our turn.
Double
Brothers Impact. Go!
Go Toad Mario. I'm still alive, you little. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Uh-huh. Okay. Is it over?
Handshake.
Hey. Okay. Let's check out them. Okay. Well, it's over now, right?
Yep.
Thanks to us. Okay, well, a few days later. So Sonic, I heard that there were some people that was bullying me earlier, and they were like 11 group of friends. They were talking about you and Amy.
It's crazy.
And I think we need a fight.
All right, let's go fight.
All right.